To begin voting, select Touch Here to get started. You will be asked to enter your random 5-digit access code. This ensures you get the right ballot. If you weren't given an access code at check-in, your poll worker will start your voting session for you. Next, you'll insert your paper with the arrow side up and pointing toward the screen. For voters who are visually impaired, there are raised guardrails and braille instructions to help navigate. You will be notified when you've inserted your paper correctly. From there, you can select Next. Before you start voting, you can learn about your ballot, change your language, or change the text size and contrast settings if you need to. You can also change these settings or ask for help at any point during your voting session. Once you're ready, go ahead and select Begin Voting. Mark your selections using the touchscreen or the accessible device, and select Next to move to the next contest. Now that you've made your selections, you will see a ballot summary on the last screen. Review your selections. If you need to make a change, select the contest, make your change, then select Return to Summary. After you've reviewed your summary ballot, select Print Record. You will be asked one last time if you want to print your vote record. Select Yes, Print My Record. Once your vote record is printed, remove it and take it to the scanner device to cast your vote. Lighted arrows direct you where to insert your vote record to be scanned and recorded. When your vote has been cast, the screen displays an American flag and the paper record is stored in the attached ballot box.